your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Friday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some delightful weather heading toward us over the next couple of days. It's pretty delightful out there right now in downtown Utica, where currently it is 75 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 7 miles an hour, meaning it's slightly cooler than it was at this time yesterday. Dew point is still making it feel fairly comfortable. That dew point is 51. We do have temperatures in the valley, in the mid, and in some cases the upper 70s, but down toward the south and up toward the north, it is slightly cooler thanks to that northwesterly breeze, so it's more like the upper 60s to the lower, and in some cases the mid 70s, and almost exactly the same as where we were at this time yesterday. It's the high temperatures themselves that were slightly cooler than yesterday. Loudville actually 1 degree warmer than it was this time yesterday. Same thing over in Johnstown. So then the question becomes, where do we go over the next couple of days? The average high for this time of year is 75 degrees. We're going to be at or above that all of the next 7 days, and it looks like we could be even into the lower 80s. Real feel of summer Wednesday and Thursday as we get into next week. More on that in a second. The radar is dry, free and clear of precipitation out there right now, and I expect it to be that way for most of tomorrow. The reason why is because we have high pressure in control yet again, but then you look up toward the north, toward Hudson and James Bay in Canada, and we've got another weakening cold front sagging its way from the northwest down toward the south and east, and as it approaches the Adirondacks and North Country, not only could there be some clouds, but there could be a few showers and even some sprinkles during the day tomorrow. We're also continuing to watch this wave of energy coming off the African coast, which could develop into a tropical storm as we head into the next 5 to 7 days. Now it's given a moderate chance of development. The last couple of days it was a low chance. So we're looking good as we head through tonight, most of tomorrow, and into Saturday evening as well. Tonight it'll be fair in the upper 40s to near 50. Tomorrow a few clouds in the upper 70s, and then tomorrow night we'll see increasing clouds, so not as cool as it has been the last couple of nights. So again, a few clouds here and there overnight tonight. Temperatures under fair conditions in the upper 40s to right around, if not just above 50. Tomorrow we'll see increasing amounts of clouds, especially from north to south, and there's some of those showers that I was talking about not really adding up to much. Temperatures tomorrow getting their way into the middle, and in some cases the upper 70s, and then as I mentioned, not as cool for tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and there could be as much as 1 or 2 hundredths of an inch of rain from the thruway on toward the north. We're well below average at this point in terms of rainfall for where we should be during the month of September, and unfortunately I don't expect that to change anytime soon, especially once we get beyond Tuesday and through Friday, when temperatures will be in the middle and upper 70s to the lower 80s with a lot of sunshine. Thomas, I'll send things back to you.
Thank you, Jordan.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a good Friday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking some absolutely delightful weather as we go through not only the weekend, but into next week as well. So let's enjoy it while we've got it. Right now in downtown Utica, it looks fairly delightful, although a little bit on the cool side, 55 degrees with a calm wind, and dew point is 51. So it feels fairly comfortable. I expect the dew point and the temperature to drop a few more degrees over the next few hours under fair skies. As far as where temperatures were today, they were actually a little bit warmer than I expected them to be. 77 was the high today, and that's because we had more sunshine in the wake of that weakening front. The low still a little bit lagging, 48. I think will be around that range tonight again as well. The normal 75 and 54, and 77 was where we were during the day yesterday as well. Up toward the north, we do have some numbers that are down into the low 50s, like Old Forge is exactly at 50. Same thing down toward the south, but in the valley we do have readings in the middle and upper 50s at this time. And I expect most of us to end up in the middle and upper 40s to right around 50 during the overnight hours. And the question becomes, where do we go temperature-wise over the next few days? The average high for this time of year, 75 degrees. You can see in the upper right corner there. And most, if not all, of next week is expected to be above average. There could even be a couple of days, not so much Tuesday, but it looks like more likely Wednesday and Thursday that we do get into the low 80s. And as far as the tropical satellite is concerned, we're still watching this wave of moisture coming off the African coast, and it's given now a moderate chance of development, anywhere from 40 to 60% over the next 5 to 7 days, but no immediate threats to the East Coast. The reason why is high pressure still in control, our fair weather friend, and it's going to remain firmly in control well into next week as well, with the exception of this weakening cold front making its way from the Hudson and James Bay region and of Canada through the Adirondacks and North Country as we head through the day tomorrow. So as such, there could be some clouds as well as a few showers, and the temperature's a little bit cooler out there. Not so much tonight. The radar free and clear precipitation. Temperatures, I should say tonight will be fair, upper 40s to around 50. A few clouds tomorrow, and then we'll see increasing clouds tomorrow night. So tomorrow night won't be as cool as the last couple of nights. But again, there's those clouds, that spotty chance of a shower from the thruway up toward the north. Really at any point tomorrow, but again, not amounting to much. There will just be variably amounts of clouds with temperatures in the low 70s there, getting into the mid 70s in the valley, and then mid and upper 50s tomorrow night into Sunday morning because of the clouds out there, although I think Sunday will be drier and also warmer. You can see here not adding up to much in terms of the rainfall, only maybe 100 to 200ths of an inch. We definitely need more than that to catch up on the deficit that we're dealing with, which is anywhere from 25 to 50% of where we should be for the month of September. I don't see that changing anytime soon, with low rain chances going well into next week, and again, temperatures climbing to summer-like levels, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Thomas, what's coming up next?
Well,